G'day chemists, so today we're going to talk about a separation technique called filtration. So what we want to be able to do by the end of this is we understand how filtration works and what the physical property that the separation is based on. This is your vocab for the lesson. Just pause the video now and write this down so you've got it to refer back to as we're going along. So what we have here, chemists, is we have a filtration. And this filtration just here is very similar to the one you will do in the lab. Now, this filtration involves some very simple apparatus, a filter funnel, filter paper, which is a surface filter, and an Erlenmeyer flask or a conical flask. And these can be swapped out for a vacuum flask and a Buchner funnel, which will allow it to happen much, much faster. So what we do is we pour the feed mixture into the funnel. And once the feed mixture is in there, the filter paper, which is a surface filter, as it is in a Buchner funnel, prevents the larger insolubles of the sediment from traveling through. And that is then caught up in the top on the surface filter, that's caught on the surface. And this is allowing the clean filtrate, which is the liquid part, the smaller particles basically, the clean filtrate to travel through into the Erlenmeyer / conical flask. The residue which is collected on top, that's what we call it, and that will be a wet mixture. So if we want to have that residue purified, we need to heat it up to dry it out. And we can do this in an oven or like via evaporation, something like that. So this is actually an efficient method. The limitations of school equipment or even lab equipment will determine how pure your separate components are going to be. When you have to evaporate off some of the liquid from the solid residue, just know that at that point you'll still be collecting all of your residue, but you will lose some of the filtrate, so your yield won't be perfect. I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below and we'll get back to you as quick as we can. Press subscribe so you can keep up with anything we release in the future as we're going on. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye now.